Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. Okay, we'll wait for some time. I can see only there are 3 viewers. So if you are able to hear my voice properly, could you please let me know? I don't know my voice are audible or not. I'm also looking at another screen to just check out all the chats and all the questions I could take from that. I don't see people are joining. Okay, there are only 0 viewers. Maybe I'll be waiting for some time. Okay, I guess I will start then. Am I audible? Because I can see only 3 viewers. And okay, maybe we'll be waiting for another 2 minutes. If I'm audible, please let me know. And if not, then okay, I will try to see what is the issues from here. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, welcome to this particular episode where we're going to discuss about more on the extension factory and how we can use the SAP S/4HANA Cloud SDK to build extension applications. So before that, before coming to extension factory, now you might have a questions in your mind that okay, really without extension factory, is it not possible to interact with S/4HANA cloud system? Then I would say no, it was possible, but the traditional method was a little bit big, I would say not developer friendly. But this extension factory gives you the S/4HANA Cloud extensibility options, which allows you to interact with S/4HANA Cloud in more easy way, I would say. So before extension factory, how then we were able to communicate with S/4HANA Cloud? So the method was pretty simple. It was like you go to api.sap.com, you see like okay, for standard APIs, what are the communication arrangements you need to activate, what are the communication scenarios are there, and then you basically used to create a inbound communication user, and that communication user normally used to attach to a communication arrangements. And finally, based on the api.sap.com, you get to know the payloads, what are the payloads you need to pass, what are the methods are available, what you can do actually with different OData service. So that's how normally standard way to interact with S/4HANA Cloud APIs or S/4HANA Cloud. And sometime you also create custom CDS views if we don't have any OData service available for a particular scenario. Then normally what we do is we create a custom CDS view and create a custom communication scenario where we then expose it as OData service. So let's look at how the extension factory works. So let me share my screen quickly, and let me show you. Okay, so the extension factory So the extension factory, is a service like which allow you to create an extension for different cloud solutions like SAP Success Factor, S4 HANA Cloud, SAP Commerce Cloud as a marketing cloud. There are a lot of things you can do with extension factory. So there is recently I have written a blog. I don't know you have got a chance to go through it or not. In this blog, I actually explained how this particular extension factory is from a cloud extensibility will work. Okay, and if you look at this particular architecture, here what I'm doing is basically I'm just creating a Node.js applications which is going to be interact with your S4 Cloud virtual OData model, but using S4 Cloud extensibility, and which is a part of your extension factory. So let's look at the system and the SAP Cloud Platform. What basically we do for configuring this particular extension factory services. So you go to first SAP Cloud Platform. So I have already SAP Cloud logged into SAP Cloud Platform, and there what I need to do is I need to first create a connections. And in order to create a connections, is a pretty easy or simple way, I would say. You just go to a register system, and what type of system you need to choose. Like as I told you, like there are now the extension factory are available for Commerce Cloud, Cloud for Customer, and Field Service Management. But in this particular case, we're going to use S4 Cloud system. So you give a name called SAP S4 8C, and then you register, and it basically gives you a token, and this token basically you need to use in SAP S4 Cloud, where you're gonna maintain the cloud platform extensions. So what you need to do is you need to basically click on new, and then you need to give this particular integration token, and you just give a name SAP CP extension for S4 8C. That's it, and then you just save it. So once you save it, what will happen is it basically going to pair up. It's called a key pair methods. Like you get a token and you make a entry in the maintain cloud platform extension for S4 Cloud, and then you will see this particular status for your these connections will be changed to registered. So initially it is a pending, so I'll just refresh it. Yeah, I even don't need to refresh, I guess. So it just got the status got changed to S4 Cloud, registered. And now once it is registered, you are good to go with creating a service instance, and you can use the service instance in your Node.js applications or CAP applications, whatever it is, you can do that. So let me just go to my sub account, and I'm going to use the space called app development here. Okay, so I'll go to service marketplace, and this service I already enabled or already added. So S4 HANA Cloud extensibility. Okay, so I'll just go and create an instance for it. So as I already created an instance, so it is basically asking me, okay, go here, and next. So here you have to one thing, keep it in mind that in this particular, when you create an instance, so you create an instance for a particular communication scenario. So for example, you want to interact with your purchase requisitions virtual OData model. So you have to know the communication arrangement and communication scenario which is responsible for that. Communication scenario which is responsible for that. So in order to see that, what you need to do is go to api.sap.com, and you go to S4 Cloud System, and then you search purchase requisitions. So you go to purchase equations, and if you go to details sections, you can see what are the communication scenario which is responsible for enabling these connections. So for us, or for this particular example, we're going to use SAP COM 0102, and it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And you give a name of like S4 CPR demo. That's it. And if you go to next, and S4 CPR demo. Now once it is finished, so what it does actually, I'll tell you. So as I told you, in earlier cases, when we were trying to create, or we were trying to interact with SAPs from a cloud order service, so the process was like, you used to create a first inbound communication user, you used to create a communication system, communication arrangement, and then finally you used to expose the particular order service. And then you could easily call it by Node.js or Java or any kind of CAP applications. So, but if you use this particular S/4HANA Cloud extensibility from Extension Factory, you don't need to do all this thing. What you need to do is you just create a service instance, and this particular extensibility service is going to take care of all the process you used to do. It's basically create a service instance here in your cloud platform. It creates the destinations, okay, and then it creates a communication arrangements with the same name you have given in the JSON file. At the same time, it creates an inbound communication user. So let me show you everything. So if I go to app development, I have to go to the sub account. I can see the destinations first. S4 CPR demo, you can see the destinations, and this is the inbound communication user. It created automatically in the S4HANA Cloud system. So I'll just go to the S4HANA Cloud system and I'll show you. So there's a communication arrangements. So if you see, this is the communication arrangements it created automatically, and it configured everything for you. You don't need to do anything. So you can see like the arrangements name, communication system, it's created automatically. It created, and it also created an inbound communication user, and this communication user was being configured in the destinations automatically. So now if I want to use this extensions in factory extensibility service in my Node.js applications, you can use it pretty easy way. Either you can make API call, but in this particular demo, or in this particular podcast, I'm going to show you in a totally different way. We will be using SAP Cloud SDK, which was known as a SAP S/4HANA Cloud SDK earlier. So what we are going to do is we're going to create a simple Node.js applications, which will be calling the particular purchase requisition service, purchase requisitions virtual order model through SAP Cloud SDK. So I've already created a Node.js applications. So let me just explain you the code here. So this is a very simple functions I have created called get purchase requisitions, which basically list all the purchase requisitions from the S/4HANA Cloud system. Okay, and in my express I have one path called get PR, and in this get PR particularly what is happening is it is calling these particular functions. Now if you look at this particular inside the function code, there you will see like I have imported this particular SAP S/4HANA Cloud SDK. Okay, and also I have used this particular purchase equations virtual data model service. I mean, this is another library, and if you want to see what are the classes, what are the methods are available for this particular purchase equations service, you can just go to the SAP Cloud SDK documentations, where you can see all the stuff, all the methods, all the classes are available. Yeah, I see the classes and all. You see all the classes. So you can see you can do create purchase equations. You can get all the purchase equations. So all the methods are available here, and you can explore it in the documentations. So now what we're going to do is we are going to just basically list out all the purchase equations from the S/4HANA Cloud SDK, from the S/4HANA Cloud, using S/4HANA Cloud SDK. So here I'm using these two classes, and then using request builder method. What I'm doing is I am just trying to get creating an object, and I'm trying to basically get all the purchase equations. And here I'm selecting, okay, these are the details I need, these are the fields I need, like purchase equations, purchase equation type, purchase equation descriptions, the source determinations, and then basically it's very easy to also have an item, because it provides you the navigations. Here if you see it providing the navigations uh, APIs to select the item data. So once it is done, then what you need to do is it's very simple. There is a execute method, and in this execute method you can tell that, okay, these particular destinations need to be used, and these destinations you can actually attach in the manifest.yml file. So this is the earlier destinations I created. In morning I was just testing out these particular features, it's working or not, because sometimes the cloud platform gives unwanted hiccups. So we try to just I was trying to just fix, or trying to just check it out, that okay, things are in proper place or not. So this is the service instance I created in morning earlier, and this is the destinations I have created automatically through the service instance. So I'll just show you. So you see the same destinations being used here. I mean, and we have also service instance. If I go to my spaces, I can show you that. Okay, where's app development space? So if I look at the service, I can. Okay, so new UI is a little bit. Okay. So you can see there's already a service called S/4HANA Cloud PR got created, and then finally I just deployed this particular application using CA push, which deployed this whole Node.js applications, and it is running in my cloud platform. Okay, so you see all the purchase equations details. It is being displayed here, and it is basically calling the purchase equations virtual order model. So let me try it in Postman. Sometime Postman looks better. The response really looks better. You see the details. I mean, the response is coming in proper way. So there's a purchase equations 1000 is created by myself in the system, and it is basically listing all the purchase equations. It is calling it is displaying all the purchase equations. But you can actually do a lot more with the Cloud SDK. You can check out all the methods which are available in the Cloud SDK documentations. You can create purchase equations, you can update purchase equations. And also the good part of this particular Cloud SDK is you can also integrate easily in the CAP applications. So for today, that's all I wanted to show. If you guys have any questions, you can ask. I'm going to take all the questions now. I can check out all the questions, and if you have any doubts or if you have anything in your mind, you can just put it in the chat box. Okay, no questions. Fine, then I wish you a happy weekend, and see you in the next stream.